Make sure that it's stocked with multi-purpose cleaner. And we've got degreaser, glass cleaner, we've got foamer for bathrooms, a little bit of Vim, paper towel, extra gloves, magic erasers, microfiber cloths, and stainless steel cleaner with its own dedicated cloth. Should only be using this cloth for stainless steel cleaner, nothing else. Paper towel. Hi, it's Paul Cook from CBM Services Limited, and we're going to talk about gymnasiums and change rooms and steam rooms. So let's take a look at the steam room. The steam room here at 1630 Quadra Street, we always make sure we keep this wedge in the door so that we can keep airflow within the room. Once every week, we want to make sure that we use scrubbing bubbles on these tiles, and that we spray, let it sit and dwell for probably about 15 minutes maybe, and that we then give it a good scrub and put this wedge back in the door. What we use is over here in the women's change room, underneath the sink, we have a hose, flexi hose, little bucket. Turn it on right here, and we've got a spray nozzle, and you can use that to spray the tiles. You can also use that and the scrubbing bubbles for the showers. Spray down the doors, let them dwell. You want to spray inside the pan, around the handle, the tiles. Give it a scrub, spray down with the hose and the hot water. Toilets, we want to make sure you clean off the tops and around the seat, in behind, on the base. We have brushes. We also have new ones if you need them. The tops of the toilet paper dispensers, and make sure that they are both full. We also want to make sure that we empty the garbage cans and replace the liners once a week, regardless, whether it's been used or not. Vanity, paper towel dispenser, cleaning the tops, make sure that it's functioning and it's full. Taps, clean and polish, make sure you get in behind the taps, around the drain. We don't want any pink mold there. We've got the hand soap dispenser. Key, pop it open every single day. Make sure that it's working. Also, we want to make sure we clean underneath as well. And that pretty much covers the change areas, other than the obvious. We want to sweep and mop the floor every day.